just came to see here the situation is very cold. It's freezing and the water is rising or going down. It's early in the morning, about 9 o'clock. If you could see, there is some bater flying. People call them lollies, and here and there everywhere is river water. The river is far away near the trees, but you could see that river flood everywhere. The water you could see going back into river and going that side, and with very pressure coming back there. I'm just going to imagine which place I was standing yesterday and where about there I just saw one mouse, and how fast is the river water. I was just standing here yesterday. The water is gone little bit back. Now I could walk up to as far as there were ducks standing yesterday. They're coming in lines in this hope that I've got food for them, but I have nothing for them. Now they're turning line. I like their line, so beautiful, and they're paddling and walking in a line. The water situation is like this. You could see and you could hear the sound. The people throw this orange thing. Some people take this Walaikum Assalam.
Sorry, they're not waiting.
Some birds coming to see if there is a food, but there is still water very fast coming this way. Stay far. I went up to there. There are the ducks standing, duck family or goose family, and I came back because I'm going back now. They eat grass or anything, mud, to fill their stomach. I could go down from here, but if my foot slipped, it's going to be dangerous. So it's better to stay a little bit away, because sometimes what your heart says, you have to listen. Your heart is just to have a kind of sense that this is good, bad, dangerous, safe, and you need to learn from it. Otherwise, sometimes you go against the heart, you don't listen to your heart, then you get in trouble and you regret later on. So this is a river situation. For as far as you could see, there's a water everywhere. You could see green grounds near the river. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'm going to show you the water level again today, because sometimes we feel uncomfortable, scared. There are some ducks family, even with the cold, even there is flood water with no food, they are not like a human being complaining. They're just happy and enjoy the moment. So wherever you see there is a water and like a wide river. Nowadays they built some banks on the side, so the big river flow in one place, not everywhere. In olden days, the river used to like all in this area, just spread over the level. So I'm showing you how the river is flowing today. still very sharp water. The waves are very sharp. You could hear trains going by. And water make more sound where there are some trees branches. These trees and that trees are on side of the river, but now you could see the river everywhere. So this is the river situation today. Oh my goodness me. God bless you all, keep you safe and sound. And there is water. It's little bit down than yesterday because yesterday did not rain, neither much today going to rain, so the water is little bit down, but still very dangerous. Now I'm going to show you this side. The water just going through the jungle and going very sharp, very fast, and can take anything with it, people, things, belongings, or make the trees fall as well. So you could hear the sound of the river. I thought I'll walk up to the bridge and see. I saw one animal there, that's why all the ducks are here and there, and birds are climbing on the tree. We call this neola, and might you call something else. It was black, long, like a fish. I was trying to climb up. If I could see again, I will show you. But all the ducks are out of the water because they can this can take the ducks and eat. Some ducks are standing there and some they gone back in the water and going to hide and come back and try to catch the birds, the ducks, the goose, the swans from the water, hiding underneath. So animals who are hungry, they hunt other animals and eat them. I hope you're going to like my videos. One family of goose standing there with 2 ducks, and some ducks are standing here with the hope somebody going to give them breakfast. Bye bye, see you later. It was very cold from couple of days, just freezing. Now it's snowing. I'm going to show you the snowflakes. Snow drops coming. If it keeps snowing, then I'm going to might settle, and instead of rain, the snow flakes are coming down now. And if the snow is properly fall, this all grass going to become white instead of green. All trees going to be white, houses going to be white, everything going to be white. There is lots of traffic from long way. Some work being taking place, and the snow is falling. It's very cold, and the traffic is everywhere. You could see the traffic is far.